Why are there not more people talking about what really attracts men? Hang tight, because this is going to blow your mind. Trait number 1, confidence. Men love a woman who can walk into a room and own it. It's not just about looking good, but feeling good inside too. Next up, a sense of humor. A woman who can laugh, make others laugh, and take life lightly is a magnet for happiness and positivity. Third, kindness. Genuine kindness and empathy can melt even the toughest hearts. Showing compassion and understanding is incredibly attractive. Fourth, independence. Men admire women who have their own passions and interests. It shows strength and self-sufficiency. And finally, communication. Being able to openly and honestly share your thoughts and feelings creates a strong, lasting bond. So, which of these traits do you already have or want to work on first? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.